If your Android phone isn't ringing for incoming calls, here are a few things you can try to fix it. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down again to expand it fully. Check whether your phone is set to mute or vibrate mode. If it is, tap the sound icon until it switches to sound mode. You can also check this through your phone settings. Open Settings, then go to Sounds and Vibration and make sure sound mode is enabled. Another common reason is that Do Not Disturb may be turned on. To check this, open Settings, go to Notifications, then tap Do Not Disturb. If it's enabled, turn it off so calls and notifications can come through normally. If your phone still isn't ringing after trying those steps, restart your device. Swipe down to open the Quick Settings menu, tap the power icon, and select Restart. Once your phone turns back on, incoming calls should ring normally again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.